Hello guys, today I've got the Apple AirPods Max 2 and I'm going to show you how to charge them all the way to charge. The first way is using our phone. Just prepare yourself a USB Type-C to C cable and plug this cable both into your phone over here in the charging port and both into your headphones over here. Now they should start charging, but wait a minute, I need to plug it here. Now, as you can see, they are charging. The second way is using just our power brick, and you need to just plug your cable into your power brick, the power brick into your power outlet, and then all this combination USB Type-C cable has to be plugged in your headphones over here, and they are charging again. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.